you wanted to completely reset your computer, you hit Command R while resetting it, deleting the correct files, and then installing the new OS. And this happens. Well, what should you do? I have the answer. First of all, you have to click on more keys when you restart it. So restart your computer again, hit Command, Alt, and R. You will then be greeted by a new recovery screen with a globus on it. This will take a few minutes to load in. Find your language and then click Next. And by going on this new recovery screen, you can download a newer version of your Mac OS. And this also means that you have to type in your Wi-Fi password again. You will be logged out and you have to log in again. After typing in your password, you have to say agree, click agree again, and then you have to click on your disk and you can see everything is wiped, everything is clean. I have all of the storage in the world that I need to use, and now it says that I have about 2 hours remaining. This number is not accurate. It took me 15-20 minutes. Now, you could be unlucky and face this screen. This did happen to my other computer. I tried installing Montery again and again, and this would always pop up. I have the solution for this as well. Shout out to this guy on Reddit. So for this, you actually need an external keyboard, like a USB keyboard, for this to work. And this did work for me. So you need to restart your computer again. Now you have to click on some new keys, which are Windows, the Windows key, like the logo, and Alt plus R. You will get into the same recovery screen, but this time it will work and you won't see that pop up again. So your computer will be rebooting and you just need to be patient. Meanwhile, you can go and live your life, and then you will have a new loading screen which tells you how many minutes you have remaining, and this number will be accurate. Congratulations! It worked! Now, if you have any problems, you should probably try and Google them and then type Reddit after. It helped me, or you can type it in the comments.
Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat that I'm banging is delicious. Tagalicious definition make them girls go loco. They want my treasures, so they get their pleasures from my photo. You can see me, you can't squeeze me. I ain't easy, I ain't sleazy. I got reasons why I tease them. Girls just come and go like Caesar. Tagalicious.